Hi, in front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the ringtone on this device. First, let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press any of the buttons or use the rotating bezel. Then swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here let's tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and tap on sound and vibration. Here scroll down and select ringtone. And here we have a list of ringtones we can select. Tap on one to select it and listen to it basically. And you can listen to all of them. Select the one you like by tapping on it, like I said before, and then tap OK to apply it, like this. You can also change the notification sound, so let's tap on notification sound right below the ringtone. Find the notification sound you like, and then tap OK to confirm. We can also use the Galaxy Wearable App on our phone to change the ringtones and notification sound. To do it, let's just bring our phone right here. Open the Galaxy Wearable App on our phone. In the app, let's tap on sound and vibration. And here we have ringtone option. Tap on it. We have a list of ringtones. Select the one you like. And then just go back, like this. Let's do the same for notification. And then go back. And that's how you change the ringtone on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.